Hi, and welcome to Akira AI's autonomous sales development representative solution. Imagine a world where your sales teams never missed a single lead. Every prospect gets a personalized touch, and meetings are scheduled automatically. Sounds too good to be true. Well, it's not. With our AI SDR solution, you can achieve exactly this. So, this intelligent system takes the manual work off your team's plate, allowing them to focus on closing deals and building relationships. Now, let's see how this innovative solution can transform your entire sales process. Let's start by looking at the typical challenges sales teams face. First, there is the sheer volume of inbound leads. Your team often doesn't have the capacity to handle them all, which means some leads slip through the cracks. Even when they can engage, the outreach is often too generic, resulting in lower conversion rates. Then there's the issue of follow ups. Manually following up is not only time consuming but prone to errors, which slows down the whole process. And finally, tracking leads to across different platforms can become fragmented, making it difficult to manage data efficiently. Fortunately, there is a better way to solve these issues. Now let's move on to the solution. So our autonomous SDR solution, powered by multi-agent system, is designed to tackle these challenges head-on. At the heart of it is the master AI agent, which coordinates specialized agent to optimize every stage of your sales process. First, the lead qualifying agent filters and prioritizes leads, ensuring your team only spend on the most promising prospects. Next, the research agent collects critical insights from sources like LinkedIn, Facebook, and your CRM, giving a complete view of each prospect. So, this data enables the outreach agent, powered by agentic AI, to craft and send highly personalized messages that truly resonate with prospects. But it doesn't stop here. The follow up and CRM update agent ensures every interaction is logged in real time, automating follow ups so no lead is ever neglected. And finally, the meeting scheduling agent take care of booking meetings automatically and sending calendar invites, freeing up your team to focus on nurturing the relationship rather than coordinating schedules. Now let's explore the tangible benefits of this solution. So by automating the outreach and follow-up process, you will be able to engage 60% more leads per month. The time it takes to close deals will drop by 30%, allowing your team to focus faster through the sales funnel. So you will also see a 40% increase in meeting booked, giving you more opportunities to connect with qualified prospects. On top of that, personalized outreach powered by agentic AI can increase your win rate by up to 10%, turning more prospects into customers. So further, with automated follow-ups, you will achieve 9x faster response time, keeping leads engaged and ensuring they don't slip away. So that's it for the solution. Now let's move on to the live demo so that you can see it in action.
Let's get started. After logging in, the first step is to search for Autonomous Sales Workflow. In the recommendations, you'll find our Autonomous Sales Workflow. Click on it to discover the various AI agents available for integration. Here, you can select from multiple CRM tools to integrate. Choose your preferred tool and watch as it seamlessly connects to platform. Next, configure your notification settings to determine how often you'd like updates about your leads. With this done, your tools are fully integrated and the workflow is ready to deploy. Now, let's go to your project dashboard. The autonomous sales feature is now available for selection, powered by our advanced AI agents. Clicking on it reveals a comprehensive overview of your leads, prioritized for your convenience. You can track total leads generated and see company names at a glance, all thanks to the multi-agent system that filters and prioritizes effectively. You also have direct engagement options at your fingertips. Schedule demos or send personalized emails effortlessly, driven by our agentic flow that ensures each outreach is tailored and impactful. And don't forget to check the number of connected leads. This keeps you informed about your active engagements, ensuring no lead goes unnoticed. With the autonomous sales workflow, you're empowered to manage leads effectively, automate follow-ups, and ultimately enhance your sales process. Experience the power of AI agents and agentic flow today. This concludes our demo. To transform your business with Akira AI's multi-agent systems, visit our website to learn how agentic AI can unlock new possibilities for your enterprise.